Alaikum. Welcome to today's lesson. We are still talking about the determiners, also known as the quantifiers. During our last lesson, we defined a determiner and we stated some areas where you are supposed to use each and every determiner. We said a determiner is a word that is put before a noun to identify the noun or show the quantity. We said we have determiners used with the singular nouns, while others are used with plural nouns. Determiners used with singular nouns include the following: one, of, an, each, either, any, that, and the. Determiners used with the plural nouns include some, the, a few, many, or, any, few, most, those, these, and several. You have determiners used with the countable nouns and also others used with uncountable nouns. Determiners used with countable nouns include a few, the, many, any, enough, more, some, few, several, that, a, an, and this. Determiners used with uncountable nouns include some, the, much, little, enough, most, a little, any, none of, and that. So today's lesson I want just to look at the very important part of the determiners, and this is the area that most of the pupils confuse on where they are supposed to use which determiner and where. The first one, we want to look about the use of neither and none. Neither is used when talking about two things. Neither is used when talking about two things, and it means not one of the two things mentioned. Not one of the two things mentioned. None is used when talking about three or more things, and it means not one of the things mentioned. In an example, in a sentence, you can say, neither the driver nor the passengers were seriously injured. Neither the driver nor the passengers were seriously injured. None of the pupils failed the examination. None of the pupils failed the examination. The second one is the use of both, all. Both and all. We say both is used when talking about two things, and it means the two of them. It means the two of them. Or it's used when you are talking about three or more things, and it means everything mentioned. Example, in a sentence, you can say, both Mother and Naliaka went to the market. Both Mother and Naliaka went to the market. All the candidates passed their exams. All the candidates passed their exams. The third one, use of either of. Either of means one of the two things mentioned. Either of means one of the two things mentioned. Example, we can say, either of the girls has arrived. Either of the girls has arrived. This means that we are not sure which one of them, but we know that it is one of them. We are not sure which one of them, but we know that one of them. A few and few. A few is used when with the countable nouns. It means some but not many. A few is used with the countable nouns. It means some but not many. Few is also used with the countable nouns, and it means very small in number. Very small in number. The word few makes a statement negative. Therefore, when it is used in a sentence, the question tag should be positive. When it's used in a question tag, the sentence should be positive. Example, few people saw the stranger. The question tag is did they? Few people saw the stranger. Did they? There were few people out. Were there? There were few people out. Were there? And then number 4, we have the use of a little and little. We say that a little is used with the uncountable nouns. It means some but not much. it means some but not much. Little is used with uncountable nouns, it means very small amount. Very small amount. The word little makes a statement negative when it is used within a sentence. Therefore, the question tag to that sentence should be positive. I'm repeating again, the word little makes a statement negative when it's used in a sentence. Therefore, the question tag to that sentence should be positive. Lastly but not least, we have the use of some and any. Some is used with both countable and uncountable nouns to mean some is used with both countable and uncountable nouns to mean, sorry, there is an error.